Cybersecurity Challenge is a competition for tertiary students from South Africa, but also Southern African universities. And it's really there to give students exposure to cybersecurity, focusing on ethical hacking, social engineering, digital forensics, penetration testing, giving them exposure to all the various different aspects of cybersecurity.
My interest in the cybersecurity industry stems from the fact that cyber is not just confined to the tech space, but rather transcends different industries, whether it be the medical industry or the auto industry. Cyber somehow affects those industries.
In the past 2 years, almost 90% of the world's data has been generated. And because of that, companies are losing 10 billion rands worth of data each day, each year. And it is our job and it's our duty to ensure that this does not happen at a larger scale.
The purpose of this challenge is to promote cybersecurity awareness amongst the students by teaching them interactive ways of getting the knowledge required to protect themselves, and also test penetration testing and learn how the industry works in promoting and incorporating cybersecurity awareness.
The purpose of this challenge is to help a lot of students to market themselves for internships and then to learn a lot of things in order to defend companies from attackers, and to get experience.
The purpose of this challenge is to get people interested in the cybersecurity industry. It brings people together to get involved, practice, learn about cybersecurity, and it's also a great opportunity to meet people in the industry, get to know everyone.
Is to create awareness of the risk of cybersecurity, to promote learning and inspire other learners to learn about cyber as well.
It helps you with your problem-solving skills, and I think it also exposes you to working with the team.
Learning, so you get to learn through exposure, identifying new attacks, and you also get to network with your fellow mates and people who are already in the industry.
The experience has been very amazing because I'm being exposed to the world, the actual cybersecurity industry. So I'm learning a lot more and thinking outside the box and thinking deep about my career and what exactly my passion is about. So I'm exploring more about cybersecurity.
Well, from my experience, I'd like to acquire some more digital forensic skills. For example, when you assessing how hackers have penetrated your system, you'd like to see the digital footprint as well.
So the type of challenges we have to do for the NREN consist of 3 main sections. The CTF challenges, which are focusing on crypto forensics, reverse engineering and mobile security. The second section is the attack and defend, and the last section are the bonus challenges.
Our strategy is that, our team has very different skill sets. So I'm, for example, very good at stenography, whereas Car is very good at hacking Androids, and Alex is very good at Node and JavaScript. So we decided to split the challenge based on who's better at what, and we'll help each other where we can.
My team's strategy is that we have 4 people on the team, and we intend to take advantage of that. So we're going to use good old-fashioned divide and conquer, and for the harder challenges, we're going to work in pairs.
So I think our strengths as a team kind of lies in the fact that we're very passionate and hardworking and very willing to learn. And a lot of us have experience with pen testing, which also helps a lot, and we know JavaScript, which also is just a very big help.
My team's strengths are we have a critical thinker. Probably all of us are critical thinkers, and we also have some coding skills with us, and we have learned a couple of ways of doing research and filtering and finding what we are looking for on the internet.
I believe the skills needed for cybersecurity are programming and IT skills, but also a willingness to learn as the cybersecurity environment is continually changing.
The first skill that is required is critical thinking. And the second one is being, analytical. And the third one would be coding skills. So we actually need coding skills.
I would like to learn more about reverse engineering and looking more into binary executables, and also a little bit about server-based hacking and exploiting APIs.
So the technical skills that I would like to acquire would be in terms of reverse engineering, encryption, maybe breaking into a machine you don't have access to.
From this challenge, I hope to develop skills which will help improve me in penetration testing and intrusion detection, as well as just to get an overall feel for what happens in cybersecurity.